know I dried it. So here's one.
Try to make it on the hand, like.
1 cup. 2. 2 cups. 3. 3 cups. 4. 5. 5 cups.
I think that better be enough, right?
That's enough?
Yeah.
We have enough. We have 6.
You want 6? Add
Yeah.
another cup in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Still be some for later.
You have to have something to make it.
Okay. So we're using, as I said before, 2.5 pounds or 6 cups of self-rising flour of your choice. And whatever mixing bowl you want to use is fine. Next step, Mom.
Take the egg and put it in a dish and beat it up.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're going to crack 2 eggs. Minus the shells. Beat them up. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now what?
I don't know.
Stop it, Paul.
I can't keep stopping
Why?
because it doesn't continue. Now I've got 2 videos on here.
All right. So now what are we gonna do?
Let's wait for the yeast to rise. Where's the yeast?
It's over here. It's not ready yet.
You have to let it bloom.
It's not ready yet.
So we have to wait for it.
Sugar.
We're adding a little sugar to the yeast. More than that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, more than that.
Okay, so that's 1/4. Another one?
Mm-hmm.
2/4 of sugar to the yeast. 2/4 of a teaspoon.
That bubbling a little, right? A tiny bit.
Just a little.
Mm-hmm. Put that back up. We can use a cup for the sugar.
The yeast is not bubbling up the way we want it to, so we just have to wait a little bit longer.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we are making YaYa rolls. YaYa has made this recipe. What it is self-rising yeast rolls. And I'm using this recipe, but hers is in her head. So this is going to be modified, but we just want to get it on tape. I have put 2 or a 1/2 teaspoon of yeast in a cup. You can either have the small packets or you can have a large packet. It is the active dry yeast that you want to use. And to the yeast, you're going to add how much water, Mom?
How much in that cup?
I don't know. How much water do you want to add?
So I don't have to fill that. How much you think that full holds?
Oh, that's probably close to 10 ounces.
Or just 10 ounces?
All warm water?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we're going to add Half a cup?
Of water?
Yeah.
You don't want the water too warm.
Is that okay? Feel it. Too cold?
It's not quite warm enough. Water not coming out warm. Not warm.
Okay, I'll get it. Oh, no, that's too hot, I know. All right, it has to be lukewarm water. And right now, it's either too hot or too cold. All right, feel that, Mom.
That should be pretty good.
Okay. Lukewarm water. More?
Yeah. I
More?
want the cup full, yeah.
Okay, so I'm doing 1.5 cups of lukewarm water and half
Yeah.
of a teaspoon of dry yeast. And we're going to sit this aside and let it do its thing.
And what is it?
Okay, so what do we do next?
What part we gonna mix it in?
Turn it off for a second. Sugar in there?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 3/4 cup of sugar, and we're going to add that to the 2 eggs that have been whisked together. Do you want me to do that, Mom?
No, I cannot. I'm okay.
Gradually add your sugar in. Keep whisking.
All right. That's okay.
Leave this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you going to add that later?
No.
So we're not using 3/4 cup of sugar?
Okay. Put it in there.
No, I'm just asking. If not, I will take it off.
Put it in. Put it in.
All of it or just a little bit more?
All of it.
Okay. Okay. So there's 3/4 cup of sugar in the eggs.
And if we didn't have to put no water with the yeast, then I can use it now. Then, huh?
Yeah, we could have used it right away.
I'm asking you.
What?
Just say you didn't have to put the yeast. Could have added it to
Right.
the dry yeast.
Okay, so this is what you want your yeast to look like. It has all come up to the surface. And it's ready.
Yep. So now you pour that in with your bread.
Okay, the eggs first or the yeast?
The yeast a little at a time.
Okay, so we're going to take a little bit of the yeast. Mom is stirring it up.
Mm-hmm.
Starting to mix just a little bit into the flour.
Mm-hmm.
More?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then a little bit of the egg.
All of it's trying to come out.
Okay.
That's okay.
So we're getting all of that sugar and egg mixture out and whisking it into the flour.
You can.
Okay.
Oh, why
That's
did you
all right.
have to go in there? Now you have to put the yeast.
Now more of the yeast, and we're going to gradually mix all of that in with the flour. When does the Crisco go in?
Put it in now.
Okay, and we are using 1/2 cup of Crisco.
Yeah.
All at one point, or?
Yeah. We'll go mix that with the egg and the sugar, but I didn't remember.
Okay. Did you hear that, audience? We're going to mix it with the egg and sugar before adding, and so we just have to work it in now. Come on, let me mix.
Okay. If you want another spoon, you can get it.
Okay. All right, let me mix.
Okay. Can I pour the yeast for you?
Mm-hmm. If you want to. How about we switch sides?
Okay.
All right, you come over there.
Oh. Okay.
It doesn't look like it's coming together right now, but it will. It's a process. I'm gonna make sure and get all of the flour mixed up in there. Now just wait, we still have a lot of flour over here. Is it easier to have the Crisco at room temperature?
Right.
Softer?
Mhm.
Okay. Wait a second. It's coming. Mind you, we have a KitchenAid mixer over there that we're not using. I still may go to it.
You don't want to make more work for yourself, Linda. You don't work.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
But more the Crisco's mixer.
Most of it is. Okay, you can add that.
Might have to add a little bit more water.
Okay. Again, this is not a measured recipe, so we add what we need. Mom, YaYa, says we may have to add more water to this to get everything combined thoroughly. Okay, Paul. You can stop. Sugar in there?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 3 quarters.